Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about this platform called Perspective Software GmbH, and this is the best high converting funnel creator. Now before we move forward, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trial and exclusive benefits and rewards. So that is something that you try out. Now coming onto the platform, now making these sales funnels are extremely crucial nowadays. If you have some cold leads and you want to convert it to a sale, then you are going to be moving through different steps, and those steps are called sales funnels, or the funnel that you create. So if you look on this platform, it is to be providing you the essential funnels for your businesses, and you can also start advertising and get your traffic onto your site running. You can see it have different features related to your business, and the sales funnel that you are going to be creating using this platform is going to be totally customized according to your requirements. So it is something that you should try out. Now talking about its pricings and plans, it comes with different pricings, of course. Now the basic one starts with, let's say, $63, which is named as Pro. We have business and advanced with different features and different funnel capacities. So you can see the Pro one have 5 live funnels, the business have 10 live funnels, and the advanced comes with 30 funnels. So super awesome. If you want to even increase this ratio or rate, you can book a demo and ask for a custom pricing. So yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.